In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vertically align text and images in Google Sites. If you want your page to look cleaner and more balanced, using the right content layout is one of the easiest ways to do it. Instead of trying to manually position everything, Google Sites gives you pre-made section layouts that help keep images and text lined up neatly side by side. This is especially useful when you want a professional looking design without spending extra time adjusting spacing. To get started, go to your Google site and open the page you want to edit. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can access the tools and layout options. Once you're on the page, take a moment to look at where you want the image and text section to appear. This will make the next steps faster and help you build the layout in the right spot from the beginning. Next, go to the content blocks area and either click on a pre-made layout template or drag one directly onto your page. This is the key step for creating vertical alignment in a simple way. These templates are designed to organize elements automatically so your text and image sit in a structured section instead of floating independently. Choose a layout that places an image next to a text box, since that will give you the aligned appearance you're aiming for. After the layout is inserted, click the plus icon in the image area to add your image. You can upload an image from your computer or choose one from available sources in Google Sites, depending on what you need for your page. As you place the image, keep in mind that the layout will help preserve alignment, but selecting an image with the right proportions can make the overall result look even better. A clear, well-cropped image usually works best in these side-by-side sections. Once the image is in place, move to the adjacent text box and fill it in with your content. This text area is already positioned to match the image section, which is what creates that vertically aligned look. You can add a heading, a short description, or any supporting information that fits your page. Try to keep the text concise and visually balanced with the image so the section feels polished and easy to read. And that's it. By using a pre-made content block, adding your image, and filling in the matching text box, you can quickly create a neatly aligned section in Google Sites. It's a simple method, but it makes a big difference in how organized and professional your site looks.